Check this. It's the calm before the storm. Big hurricane is supposed to be hitting us tomorrow. Hurricane Lane. But you know, I find it pretty awesome and comforting to know that we're good. We are amazing. I know our Father has us. I mean, we can't control anything. We can't control the weather. So as much as we would like to say we're in control, we're not in control. But I tell you what, our Father's in control. He's shown us. Look at what Jesus did in the Bible. There's a little old story in there about when Jesus calmed the storm. Read about it in Matthew 8, verses 23 through 26. Jesus says, come on, let's get in the boat. Grab his disciples. They want to cross to go to the other side of the lake. So they get in there, and as they're crossing, a big storm hits. He's in there asleep. But his disciples are terrified and frightened enough they actually go and wake him up, thinking they're going to die themselves. But he just gets up, calms the storm. So this storm is coming up that's in our lives. Is it terrifying you? Are you afraid? Are you afraid not admitting that you're afraid? Just remember, there's no place you can be that's fortified enough that's going to keep Christ from coming to you, from getting to you. I'm not saying not be prepared, not be ready for the hurricane, but there's no reason to be fearful of the hurricane. Get your provisions ready, get your house in order, get it ready if you need to, if it's not already done. But there's no reason to be being scared and freaking out and afraid and wondering what's going to happen. Just pray. The Bible tells us